Hi, welcome to today's class and today's lesson, used to. First off, let's start by the form of used to. Used to is simply followed by the base form of the verb. Example in the affirmative, Mr. Smith used to teach French. Used to is followed by the base form of the verb teach. In the negative, Emily didn't used to believe in ghosts. In the interrogative, did you used to smoke? In the negative and interrogative, used to is changed to used to. We use it without the D. As you can see in the negative, we remove the D from used to. It becomes didn't used to believe. In the interrogative as well, we use the interrogative form and it becomes did you use to smoke? So without the D. What are the uses of used to? Used to refers to a habitual action or situation that used to happen in the past, but not anymore in the present. She used to smoke in the past. She habitually smoked, but now she quit. Before his serious leg injury, he used to be a track runner. But he is not anymore. Let's solve a practice on used to. Make an affirmative sentence, negative sentence, or a question using used to plus infinitive. Let's take as an example number 1. I live in a flat when I was a child. So we have to write it in the affirmative form. I used to, base form of the verb, live in a flat when I was a child. I used to live in a flat when I was a child. We go to the beach every summer. This is a question, so it's interrogative. We agreed in the interrogative, used to is changed to used to without the D. The sentence becomes did plus the subject plus used to plus the verb. Okay? Did plus we plus used to go to the beach every summer. It becomes, did we used to go to the beach every summer? That's the interrogative form. Let's take a negative form. He not smoke. Number 4. As a reminder, we said in the negative and interrogative, used to becomes used to without the D. So in this sentence, it becomes he did not use to smoke. He didn't use to smoke. Try to solve what's left here on your own and on this slide as well. And this is an answer key so you could compare your answers when finished. Here's another practice. You have to read the student's journal and find and correct 5 mistakes in the use of used to. The first mistake is already corrected. Let's try to do this together. Okay, when I was younger, clothing didn't used to be a problem. This first mistake is corrected. Instead of used, we say use without the D. Clothing didn't used to be a problem. All the girls at my school used to wear the same uniform. What's the mistake here? Used to wore. We said that we use the base form of the verb with used to and not the past tense. So what's the base form of wore? Wear. All the girls at my school used to wear the same uniform. I used to think that it took away from my freedom of choice. Is there any mistake here? There is no mistake. Now I can wear what I want, but clothes cost so much. Even blue jeans, today's uniform, used to be cheaper. Are there any mistakes in here? No mistakes in used to. It's correct. It's used with the base form of verb be. My mom uses to pay less than $20 for hairs. Are there any mistakes in here? Yes, used to, not uses to. We never say uses to. My mom used to pay less than $20 for hairs. I guess they didn't used to sell designer jeans back then. What's the mistake in here? Exactly. We said in the interrogative, used to becomes used to without the D. I guess they didn't use to sell designer jeans back then. You know, I was used to be against school uniforms, but now I'm not so sure. What's the mistake in here? There is no need to say was. We already said used to. If you want to say was, we just say I was against school uniforms, but we don't say was, we remove was, and we are left with I used to be against school uniforms, but now I'm not so sure. That was all for today. Thank you for attending this class.